So hello everyone, we are doing role plays in class, okay? And this role play is about friends, right? So this is the new scene. Until yesterday, we had finished until the film shot, right? They were about to watch a film. Now what happens after that? Let's see. But I'm not a French film fan. So when you talk about a negative statement, मुझे ये पसंद नहीं है, I don't like it. Okay? I am not a French film fan. So how is the pronunciation? French film fan. Okay, so this here you're actually learning the pronunciation of F. French film fan. Okay, and whenever there is information, stress there. Okay, means वहां पर important थोड़ा सा clearly बोलना है उसको हमको.
Excuse me, I'm looking for the Rose Cinema.
See, excuse me. When some people are talking and you want to intervene meaning आप बीच में कुछ बोलना चाहते हो, तो you should always say, excuse me, I'm looking for the Rose Cinema. Looking for means ढूंढ रहा हूं मैं, okay? I'm looking for the Rose Cinema. So this is the main information, Rose Cinema. तो इसको हमको बहुत clearly बोलना है role play में. And try friends and students, like if you have friends at home, if you have relatives at home who can be a part of role play, तो उनके साथ आप role play करो, बहुत मजा आएगा. Okay, try to write down the dialogues, okay, and then after that you practice it. Try to act it out. अगर डाइनिंग का सेट है, लाइक सी इट्स अ डाइनिंग शॉट, डाइनिंग टेबल पे सारे लोग बैठे हुए हैं और सब बात कर रहे हैं, तो ट्राई टू सिट ऑन द डाइनिंग टेबल, यूज सम प्रॉप्स, जैसे वो चाय पी रहे हैं, ओके, दीज आर कॉल्ड एज प्रॉप्स, चाय पी रहे हैं, या वो एक हाथ में पेपर ली हुई है फॉर टू टेक द ऑर्डर्स. सो ट्राई टू यूज सम प्रॉप्स, so that way you will feel you are actually practicing it, like how actors and actresses they play, in a movie they play around, right? They do role plays. Try to do it that way.
The Rose Cinema.
The Rose Cinema.
Let's see.
Let's see.
That's on the corner of Market Street and
That's on the corner of Market Street and Park Street. So here we are learning the direction also. कहाँ पर है वो Rose Cinema? That's on the corner, on the left, sorry, on the right, on the left, okay, straight ahead. So where is Rose Cinema? That's on the corner, वहां पर है, corner में है, of Market Street and Park Street. Okay, so the name of the street, like Chogam Road, Gandhi Street, so Market Street and Park Street. So off, this is the preposition they have used in here.
Park Street. Or is it 3rd and Grand?
Or is it 3rd and Grand? Or means he's a little confused. I think so it's on Chogam Road. No. I think so it's on Baga Beach Road. Oh, or is it 3rd and Grand?
No, I think it's on Market between.
I think it's on Market Street. So he's a bit confused कि Rose Cinema है कहाँ. Okay, I think it's on the
1st and 2nd Avenue.
1st and 2nd Avenue.
Okay, so go around the corner, walk.
See, go around the corner. So try to do some action. Go around the block, go around the corner, walk 3 blocks. Okay, 1 block is like maybe say from here until Chogam Road, that is 1 block. Okay, another block like from Chogam Road to Naftara. Okay, another block. So you have to walk 3 blocks. 3 blocks आपको क्रॉस करने हैं.
3 blocks. No, 5 blocks.
5.
To Harper Street.
Harper Street.
Turn left.
Turn
Sorry.
left.
Right.
Okay, so he's confused. Oh, then turn left. Oh, I guess right.
Another 2 blocks. No.
Go another 2 blocks. First he's saying 3 blocks. Now he's saying another 2 blocks. No, Still he's confused with the directions. This is what people do in India also. नहीं 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 वो left पर है, नहीं 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 right पर है. Okay, you should be, if you know the place, if you don't know the place, just say I don't know, I'm so sorry, please you can ask someone else. It's better to say that instead of confusing the person.
Yes. 2 blocks.
Yes, 2 blocks.
To 4th Avenue. Take a right. Yes. Walk about 5 blocks to Market Street.
Okay, so see, when you say, when you are giving direction, you can say take the first right. Okay, when you are walking on the Chogam Road, or if you take Chogam Road, अगर आप Chogam Road से आ रहे हो, okay, if you take Chogam Road, take first right, take second left. Okay, you have to direct the person very clearly so that he doesn't get confused. कौन सा right लेना है, first right, second right. Try to give directions this way. Walk about 5 blocks to Market Street. Walk about मतलब इतना walk करना है आपको. About. Walk about 2 blocks. Walk about 3 blocks. Okay.
Go right again.
Go right
Go straight 2 more blocks. The cinema is on your right. No.
The cinema is on your right. No. Again, he's confused. So go straight ahead. This is also a way to give directions. Your left.
What? You're looking for the Rose Cinema.
Yes.
Go across the street.
And
Oh God, it's just right there. Okay, go across the street meaning just across, opposite. Okay, exactly not opposite. Opposite तो एकदम सामने हो जाता है. Like I am standing right opposite to the camera. Okay, but मैं थोड़ा सा इस तरफ हो जाऊँ. Right across from, like where you are sitting across from me. हम ऐसे टेढ़े में बैठे हो ना, क्रिस क्रॉस, across from me. Okay, the Baker Street is across from the bank. बैंक के across में है, उस तरफ है. Okay,
It's across the street.
it's, you see, it's across the street. मतलब just street के उस तरफ है. Okay, it's across the street. Clear?
thank you.
Thank you.
You're a tour guide?
You are a tour guide. Okay, as a tour guide किसको चाहिए? No one. I don't want. Got it? I hope it was clear.